everybody, I'm back. So now we're going to test it because I got it all back together again. See? Where's my flashlight? I hope this works. You never know though. So I put all the things back together and we're going to go give it a shot now. Maybe we won't use hot water. Here we go. Well, we'll just get back under here and take a look, see. I think the kids got bored. Okay, so I have water there. See? Okay, stand by. We'll make sure we're not leaking. That kind of sounds weird. Oh! Okay, I'll check by myself and I'll get back to you. That couldn't have been good in there. Well, I think I fixed it. I'm gonna stay down here for a while. I'll send this off to you and I'll get back to you. Okay? I hope I fixed it. I've been worried about this for days. You know, you don't want to let these things go because you got a floor. And the water gets on the floor, and then you got rot. And next thing you know, you've got a big old mess. So you got to take care of this stuff. Don't let leaks in water get going because you just cause yourself bigger problems. God, I hope I fixed it.